just realizing this one thing was a game changer. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on Learn Math Fast. And we got sent some extra goodies. This is going to be books 3 and 4. However, I did reach out to the people at Learn Math Fast, and they were kind enough to send me books 3 and 4. If you order from the actual website, it comes with extra goodies. So if you didn't see it in my last video, I'm going to show you really quick now. It has 150 worksheets. It has extra things like scrap paper, and the one on Amazon, I think the first one that came out didn't. So I think some of the extra worksheets are in here. It has separate answer key where the other one, it was thick, but it was because it had one quiz, one worksheet, and it had the answer key that took up a good amount of space. But instead of that, they put it on a separate notebook. So that was actually really awesome. This is the Learn Math Fast system book. These are just the worksheets with the scratch paper and I believe the quizzes. So you can go online and you can print the extra worksheets out. You can print the quizzes out. They do it for you. Volume 2 that they sent me so I could see it, how it kind of looks in color, just the updated version. Looks really nice. And one other thing that you can get on learnmathfastbooks.com is this. So answers to volume 1, timed tests. So that way it's almost like this little bookmark that you can just keep at your desk. And that way you're not flipping around back and forth. Now, the reason that we came here, book 3 and, oh my goodness, book 4, just so you guys have a good understanding. Book 3 is all about pre-algebra. Book 4 is about basic geometry. I'm not sure which my daughter will like more, probably the algebra actually. So I will show you some of what the table of contents looks like. That way you can get a good idea of everything that they cover. The number of lessons there are 25, but then they have chapter review tests. I think chapter 2, chapter 3 review tests first. She's very kind enough to send me a big bookmark. I didn't realize that they had this available on their website, which is really cool because my daughter benefits from having something like this next to her because there's so many different kinds of rules. This is for volume 1. This is for volume 2. For volume 3, solve for x in terms of y, proportions, slopes, add, multiply, exponents. For rectangle, area of a circle, metric units, and circle of a circumference. So just a lot of useful little things. So as you can see, the intro to pre-algebra. I want to show you her worksheet. She already started. She is just looking forward to getting ahead. So solve for x, negative numbers, with division, working with ratios, and then this is measurement. Chapter 2, terms, expressions, equations. The second operation, solving algebraic equations, review test, and then linear equations going toward the back, and then all the answers that are in the back. Volume 4, 21 lessons. This one is lines, angles, area of a square, area of a triangle, diameter and circumference, perimeter, volume of a sphere, base units, kilo and milli, centi, metric, and deci. And the really cool thing with this was you can get a geometry kit so that you can help with that. So I'm going to show you guys the book and then I'm going to show you everything that comes inside of here because I think that it was really cool. My daughter was really excited about the pack, especially that little glitter ball. We have these, area of a square, hypotenuse, and I really love how everything is worded very easily. It's very easy to understand. Sometimes I sit with her and I'll read it to her, although it's not necessary because she'll sit down and she'll read this herself and she can understand it just fine. I think it's worded in a really good way, so I feel like it's geared toward kids. There's a little bit of humor in it. It's kind of straight to the point. There's not a lot of fluff. And then all the answers are in the back. So then the geometry kit. This is everything that is in the kit. So we have this for measurement, to the side, just to help measure. And here it comes with some manipulative squares, little bouncy ball, a pencil my daughter sharpened. Then it comes with these to help with angles, equilateral triangle, right triangle, isosceles, 15 square inches. Then it comes with a couple other things. Another type of manipulative reference. This piece of paper is 1 square foot, 12 inches by 12 inches, or 144 square inches. I think things like this really help so that you're not just looking at a smaller version on a piece of paper. You can actually see what's in front of you. And then we have this with formulas. Turn it over. That's something that you can cut out. So with this whole system, there are 7 books total. Volume 1 is your basic math. Volume 2 is mostly fractions and measurement. Volume 3 is going into pre-algebra. Book 4 is going into basic geometry, high school algebra 1, high school algebra 2, and high school geometry. Just realizing this one thing was a game changer. My daughter can accelerate her learning and go as fast as she wants to, or she can take her time. Either way, really cementing these topics. But she can go at a good pace where she doesn't have to do specific amounts of modules, right? She can stay on a topic as long as she needs, and then she can breeze through a topic that she doesn't need to stay on because she already knows it. So in that sense, there's 7 programs, and they're really meant to, at the end of everything, prepare you for the SATs or the ACTs. That way you're college ready. She can be college ready as early as 9th grade. And that to me was the game changer. It was, if she is prepared for it, then I'm not holding her back from certain things like that. She can keep accelerating in high school maths, or she can try taking some college math courses as early as she'd like, if that's something that she chooses. But just the fact that you're not holding your child back and they're excited about learning. She wants to do this during summer. I'm not making her. I was gonna have her wait until fall so she could have a break. And she saw me do this other video that I just made about 1 and 2, and she got so excited. She just decided, I'm gonna do it over the summer. She's like, I want to get through my math. I want to accelerate my learning. I want to be able to move grades up. And she's excited about math again, and she's excited about learning, and that enough reason for me to get on here and say that this program works, and it's working for our family. It might work for yours. Every family is different. Every child is different. Just saying their high praises because it has really been helping us so much. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you watched this till the end, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. I love you guys, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.